Hello all, welcome back. We are at final stage of this particular the playlist and feature edition 3. So we are at final insights, scripts by GenAI. So I can conclude this particular the feature edition with the script implementation. So overall, I think we understood that what is the prerequisite needed for the to initiate the script generation, and how we can generate these scripts using the GenAI assistant in the API scripts development using the user prompts. So overall, by seeing this particular exercise, we understood that one, as compared to earlier, we should be in a position to generate the scripts quickly uh, for the given requirement. Postman in the free version of the Postman, you can find in a Postbot, but it has limited tokens. It has, so you can generate a few scripts and get expertise, and you can do the explore as well and get expertise. Okay, so that will give the base for you to excel in your corporate assignments. Okay, so this is very good tool for the beginners as well to understand how we can generate the scripts. But you use any assistant for any type of the testing, you should have basic. Okay, if that particular assistant is earlier that platform is using some kind of programming language, you should have at least basic how in the traditional manner how the script is generated. You should know the methods, you should know the syntax, then only you should be in a position to review the genuine response properly, and you can enhance your scripts up to the standards. Okay, overall these assistants will give the efficiency at the end, but at the same time we have to ensure the quality, the standards, while we are making this particular script is final for the next cycle's release executions. Okay, so that's all I have, and if you have any questions on Postbot, you can you are free to reach me out to my mail ID or in my YouTube channel or my Medium blogs. And again, once again, I'm just giving you a heads up. I'm going to release detailed course on Postman and Postbot, so that you will find good insights in that course, and I'll publish in my upcoming site. Please watch out. So that's all I have in this particular session, and I'll catch you in the next feature edition or next assistance that I'm going to explore. Or there are few areas that I have already explored, and I need to publish the few articles, and I'll catch you in those. Okay, thank you, bye, take care. So that's all I have, and signing off for this particular feature edition 3. So I'm going to share all the details. You can watch out in the description, the links, and you can find out the required API files and this particular document as well. Okay, thank you team, thank you, please take care, bye.